I wanted to give a brief overview prior to our meeting on Thursday of a couple of different ways that we could evaluate the dean and the associate dean. So the first thing I did was ask Loyola College and the Selinger School. I asked the associate deans in those two schools what kind of process they were using. Loyola College has a form that they use, which you can see here, and I will also send this form in the email that I send, so I'll attach it. As you can see, there are several questions that are asked and graded on a Likert scale. So one thing that Amanda suggested is that this form is used primarily with the chairs of the departments that each associate dean works with, but because we only have 2 chairs, we may want to open this up so we could discuss at the meeting whether or not we wanted to have some kind of form that we send to chairs and program directors, or if we want it to be filled out by all faculty that work with the associate dean. The other thing that I think it would be helpful for us to look at is the questions that are being asked, to see if we want to change these questions, if we want to use them just as they're written, or if there's some things that we want to add that are pertinent just to the School of Education. And then from the Selinger School, I received some information about something called 360-degree review, and Bobby Waldrop suggested that I Google that this was a suggestion that was made by several people who work, that she had surveyed at other Jesuit institutions, and this was the primary thing that came up, which is a service that we could pay for. So I didn't do a lot to look into this. I will also put this URL into the email that I send if you want to take some time, but I'm not sure that we want to outsource this. So I just wanted to bring this up as something that other people are using. So I'll send information in the email, and we'll talk about this together on Thursday. Thank you.